There are 33 reserved words in the Python programming language. In this video, we will discuss the keyword as. Welcome to another Python journey, where today we're exploring the versatile as keyword. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up your skills, understanding as will elevate your Python mastery. The as keyword in Python serves as an alias creator. It allows you to assign a different name to modules, exceptions, or context managers you're working with. This renaming capability makes your code cleaner and more readable. Why is as so pivotal? Its main role is simplification. By allowing programmers to rename, as reduces the complexity of code, especially when dealing with modules or libraries with long names, and enhances its maintainability. The as keyword shines in three main scenarios: when importing modules with lengthy names, in exception handling to refer to the exception object, and within context managers to alias the resources being managed. It's all about making your code more intuitive. Let's dive into a quick example to see as in action. Here, we've showcased as in importing the date-time module with a shorter alias, handling a division error, and reading a file using a context manager. Each use case demonstrates how as makes the code more efficient and readable. The as keyword is a small yet powerful tool in your Python toolkit, streamlining your code and enhancing readability. Embrace it and your programming adventures for cleaner, more maintainable code. Thank you for joining us. Keep coding and discover the beauty of Python in every line of code.